Evening, all. Bobby Two Pops breaks. It is Friday, March 10th. We are breaking Bomb Box Jerseys Plus Combo Series. It's a one box or one envelope break. Randomed up our 30 remaining box numbers. 15 is what we got. Random team sales on your right. We have already randomized teams and customers, alphabetized everybody. Gave them a chance to trade. Nothing going down, though. Bam! Well, going to be a Minnesota hit with the Adrian Peterson. I am also going to be the Ace Ventura spot with the Sean Young Finkel Laces Out jersey, guys. WWE spot going to get the Kane Championship belt. And last but not least, guys, NYG going to get the freebie. Not a bad box there at all, guys. Alright, Minnesota. Jason's first hit of the series there. Well, Jason with a double hit on that one, guys. Gigi going to take the Aqua Finkel. There's another white one in there, guys. And then Giant getting the freebie. Going to be SD. Alrighty, folks. Let me grab those real quick. Jason, Adrian Peterson, signed in the sweet spot. Beckett, Witness hologram on that one for you, bud. Randy Moss still out there for the Viking spot, guys. Comes the Sean Young Laces Out JSA sticker on that one, G. Bam! There is your Kane belt, guys. It's just one of the toy ones, but nice little extra bonus hit in the box. That was going to Jason on that one. Alrighty. Going to bring up our qualifier. Alright, so that was 1G, 1SD, 1 Jason. So 2 Jason, sorry. Alright, here we go. No 3s, 4 or higher. 9 times. Again, this is for the end of series giveaway of the Ja Morant frame jersey. We pull the winners of each breakout. Give everybody else a chance to still walk away with something nice at the end of series. 7, 8, 9 times. Cherubim and Tom going to be qualifiers number 13 and 14, guys. 29 boxes left in the series. We're only 7 boxes in. Y'all have a wonderful night. Join us 8 p.m. Central. Bobby 2 Props Breaks.